Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using day-old Pandesal or lightly toasted slices because dryness creates crisp crumbs quickly. Once you have uniform pieces, trim large crusts so milling is even. Place small batches in your blender or food processor and pulse in short 5–10 second bursts. This prevents overheating and gummy textures. Check frequently so you control crumb size. If you want finer crumbs, sift and reprocess large pieces. If coarser, stop sooner and reserve for topping. Once you have basic crumbs, you must control texture and taste. You pulse in increments to reach coarse, medium, or fine grain depending on use. 2–3 pulses for coarse, 6–8 for fine. Make sure to season during processing or after with 1–2 teaspoons salt and optional garlic powder for savory uses. Sweet variants add sugar and cinnamon. For crispness, spread crumbs thinly on a tray and toast at 175 degrees C for 5 to 8 minutes. You finish by cooling crumbs completely so no residual steam creates condensation in storage. Transfer to airtight containers or freezer bags and label with the date. Expect 2 weeks in pantry or up to 3 months in freezer. Make sure to press out excess air if freezing. If crumbs become soggy later, reheat at a low 150 degrees C until dry and crisp, stirring every few minutes. If flavor is flat, toast with a touch of butter for richness. Keep testing small batches to refine texture and seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.